Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Going Guitar. Zach Bryan, unreleased song, I believe. Better Friend. He sits there in his car, in his garage, I believe, and plays a beautiful song right there. So let's learn it together. We have a capo on first, in the same way as he does. And before we move on with this tutorial, I need to highlight my new channel. It's called Going Guitar 6 Strings Ago. Yes, maybe you heard about that one. And if you have subscribed to me and that channel, I'm super happy. I need your help, guys, to grow that channel. So if you want to thank me for the work I'm doing on this channel, then go and subscribe to Going Guitar 6 Strings Ago. Link up here somewhere. You're gonna learn a full song on that channel, different from this one. You have a full playthrough, chords shown on the screen. Easy peasy, guys. So thank you for the support. Now let's move on with this tutorial. We have a couple of chords to go over. I believe there are 5 or so. So let's start with the we can start with C first. That's actually how the song starts. So it goes 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have G next. That goes 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, open B, 3rd E. We have F, which is a bar chord. Place any string like this, crossing all strings on the 1st fret, and then you need to add 3rd A, 3rd D, and 2nd G. We have A minor. That will be open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, open E, and finally we have the E minor. And that will be open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. We have the first verse play, which is based upon C, G, and F, but we have the melody, so we're gonna learn that. It goes like this for C. So that will be 3rd fret A string, then 1st B, then 3rd A, and open G. The next part is the G, and it sounds like this. 3rd fret E string in the bass, then open B, then 3rd E again, and open G. And then finally comes the F part. It goes like this. So that will be 1st fret E string in the bass, that's the bass notes. Then 3rd D, then back to bass, 1st E, then 2nd G, then back to bass, then open B, and back to bass, and open G. And that is the final chord. So that is one round C, G, and F. I'm gonna play it for 9 rounds. I'm gonna take down the tempo for you to understand what's going on exactly. And let's go. Missed on that open G. I actually held that 2nd G, but it's supposed to be the open G. And in tempo, which is almost always easier, actually, it goes like this. Alright, there you have the verse play. And that's the first verse. Then now we're gonna reach the first chorus at 49 seconds in. Where do you go? That's the question. That is where we're on the lyrics. So we have a strumming pattern here, which is like this for F. So the first down will actually be part 1. So 1 down, pause, and then comes part 2, down, down, up. So down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. So you're gonna play F 1 full round, both part 1 and part 2, then C 1 full round, G 1 full round, then comes the A minor, just part 1, the down, and then E minor, part 1 again, the down. You're gonna play that portion for 2 rounds. Let's do that together for 1 round. Two rounds of that. Then you're gonna play the 3rd round like this: F1, C1, G1, A minor 1. And then the final 4th round goes like this: A minor 1, G1, F1, and C1. right. That is the first round. Now, second verse starts at 1 minute and 18 seconds in. It's completely different from the first one. The chords are the same, but instead of picking patterns now, we're going to play strumming. Okay, so we need to learn a new strumming pattern. So grab the first chord C again. Of course, it's the same C, G, and F. You're going to play like this. That's one full round, okay? You have the part 1, which is the down, up, down, up. Then a short little pause, and then comes part 2, which is up, down, up. So together it's down, up, down, up, up, down, up. So this second verse now is played C, part 1, down, up, then G, again, part 1, down, up, and then you're going to finish off with F, one full round. Down, up, down, up, down, up. That is one chord progression round. You're going to play it for 9 times, okay? So C part 1, G part 1, F, one full round like this. 2 rounds for you guys. You're going to quadruple this and a little bit more, 9 rounds in total. That is the second verse, and then comes the second chorus. Okay, you're gonna play that almost in the exact same way. You remember you had that F, C, G, A minor, E minor, 2 rounds of that. Now you're gonna play for 3 rounds, and then after that 3 rounds, you're gonna play the last round you played in the first chords, the A minor 1, G1, F1, and C1. You're gonna play that for 1 round. Okay, so 3 rounds of that F, C, G, A minor, E minor, and then A minor, G, F, and C. Then you're going to finish off with the outro part, and guess what? You're going to play in the same way as you played the second verse with the strumming. C, G, and F. You're going to play that for 8 rounds, and that, my friends, that is how Zach ends his car tour when he plays Better Friend. Cool song from Zach, always guitar friendly. We love that, so give it a shot. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, play tuned.